the 2020 Honda CR-V. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.